Succession. Recognition and enforcement. 1. Background and purpose. In order to assist those involved in successions, the rules on the recognition and enforcement of decisions given in member states are streamlined and made simpler, as well as enabling such decisions to have effect in member states other than where they are given, which has not always been the case up until now. For this purpose, a decision is defined to mean any decisions in a matter of succession given by a court of a member state, whatever it may be called, and that includes decisions given by court offices on matters of costs and expenses. 2. Rules on recognition and enforcement. The rules are very similar to those in the Brussels I regulation to which reference is made. 3. Authentic instruments and court settlements. Acceptance of authentic instruments. Article 59. There are also more developed rules for the acceptance and enforceability of authentic instruments. These rules ensure that where such instruments are granted in a member state, they shall have the same effect in other member states as in the member state of their origin. The regulation also provides for a form describing the evidentiary effects which the authentic instrument produces in their member state of origin. This is important, in particular in relation to agreements on succession and other documents which relate directly to matters of succession and which are established as authentic instruments. Such instruments shall have effect in the other member states as regards their evidential value, so long as this is not contrary to public policy. Also, no challenge to the authenticity of the instrument can be made other than in the courts of the member state of its origin. As regards the legal acts or legal relationships recorded in such authentic instrument, the jurisdiction to challenge these shall be as provided under the rules of the regulation. Enforceability of authentic instruments and court settlements. If an authentic instrument or court settlement is enforceable in the member state of its origin, it may be declared enforceable in any other member state on application being made there by any interested party. The procedure for making, refusing, or revoking such an application is as for decisions of courts. The same goes for court settlements which are enforceable in the member state of their origin. 4. European Certificate of Succession. Articles 62 to 73. An important innovation in the regulation is the creation of an optional European Certificate of Succession. This will enable the powers of the administrators of successions and the entitlements of heirs and legatees to be established simply and quickly in the member states and cut down the time, expense, and administrative procedures needed for these powers and entitlements to have effect in other member states than the one where the succession is centered. The regulation contains detailed rules about applications for, the issue of, and contents and effects of the certificate, as well as about which authorities are entitled to issue it, and challenges to decisions of those authorities.